Hi there, welcome back. So in this lecture we're going to be doing a couple of things, like we're going to be importing our project folder, then we're going to create a file called functions.php, then we're going to plug in our bootstrap, our MD bootstrap to be precise, then we'll be creating our login and registration form. So let's do that. So I'm going to go File, Open Folder, Login App, select folder, and it will import it on our code editor. So it's empty, and now I'm going to locate my MD bootstrap, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy everything from my MD bootstrap 4.14.0, that's the version number. Then I'm going to get back to my htdocs folder and paste that in. And a couple of things that I need to do is to get rid of some of the things that I don't need, like license, readme, all that, and change the file type of index from being HTML to PHP. Hit enter. Yes. And let's see what we have here. Okay, this is the default MD bootstrap index.html or PHP file. So let's see what we have over here. So I'm just gonna let's see whether or not if we have our XAMPP server running, and it's not, so we need to run it. And we are all set. So it's http:// and localhost login app, hit enter, and we should be good to go. And there we have it. So now we don't need all these things. This is the default image of MD bootstrap, so I'm just gonna remove that, and we are ready to go. So let's give it a try and see if it's working. So hit tab, class equals double quote, and inside the double quote I'm going to type btn dash success, and it should work. And there we have it. So everything is working. We are ready to go. So I'm gonna delete that, and I'm gonna come over here, right click, new file, functions.php. I have just created a new file. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go all the way at the top of my document and hit enter a couple of times, make some room, and I'm gonna bring in my PHP and include function, double quote, and I'm gonna get inside and I'm gonna type functions.php, and we are good to go. And there's one file that I would like to bring up, is style.css. and why is that? I'm gonna tell you right now. If you read over here, it says that your custom styles, and where can we write our custom style? It's a file called style.css residing inside CSS folder. So that's the file we can use to write custom CSS. So we're gonna need that file, so we're gonna keep it over here. And let's have a look at our checklist. We are all set, and we have imported our project folder, we have created functions.php, we have hooked in our MD bootstrap. Now we're gonna start creating our login and registration form. So I'm not gonna make it too long. I'm gonna wrap this up over here. In upcoming lectures we're gonna gradually start building our login and registration form. So see you in the next lecture. Thanks, bye.